Welcome students. So in this video we are going to learn 7th lesson variation practice at 7.2 and part 1 video also I have made, and this is now part 2. You can refer the part 1 also. So first question is find constant of variation and write equation of variation for every example given below. Now here if you see, you will tell we have to find either direct variation or inverse variation. Which way? So see here in the question itself they have given you the formula P alpha. As I told you, this is alpha, this is a Greek letter. So P alpha 1 upon Q. So this type means division upon wala agar formula hai, then you have to use which variation? Yes, you are right, inverse variation. So now P value is given 15, then Q is equal to 4. So write the formulas. A की जगह पे is equal to will come, 1 की जगह पे K will come. K is a constant of variation. So next step, P into Q is equal to K. K is a constant. So the equation of variation is PQ is equal to K. You can write here P into Q as well. Okay, no problem. So now here what is the value? Write the values. P what is given 15, Q 4. Substitute the values. 15 into 4 is equal to K. K is equal to 60. 15 into 4 is 60. If you will keep this 60 here and this K here, then also no problem. It does not change anything. It will remain same. The meaning will not change. So here K is equal to 60. We got the constant of variation. P into Q is equal to 60. This was the equation of variation. I have not written here equation of variation. Now second sum, Z, this is alpha 1 upon W. When Z is equal to 2.5, then W is equal to 24. So similarly answer you have to write Z alpha 1 upon W given. Z is equal to, in place of alpha you will write is equal to, and in place of 1 you will write K upon W. Next step, Z into W is equal to K. K is a constant of variation, as you all know. So equation of variation is also asked. So you have to write the equation of variation is Z W is equal to K. Substitute the values. What is the value given to us? Z is equal to 2.5. W is 24. Substitute the values is equal to K. So K is equal to 60. That is the constant of variation. So see here, this you got the answer. Z into W is equal to 60. Now third one, S is alpha. This S alpha 1 upon T square. In each case, if you saw here, just single was given. See, just Q. Here just W is given. But in this case, here it's given T square. Now how to solve it? So here conditions are given. S is equal to 4, then T is equal to 5. So write the same formula. Same you have to write as it is over here. The next step is S is equal to K upon T square. Square, you need not have to remove this square का जो ये लिखते हैं हम 2 symbol, that you need not have to remove. You have to keep it with T only. S into T square is equal to K. K is a constant. Now, so the equation of variation is S T square is equal to K. Substitute the values. Now here S की जगह पे 4 आएगा and T की जगह पे what was the value given? 5. 5 you have to write. So now here T square is there. Remember, square is there. So value, what is the value of T? 5. So T square means 5 square will come. Remember, this is the very important point. If you will write just 5, then your whole sum will go wrong. So 5 square is important, is equal to K. Now you have to shift this all over here. This all you have to shift here. So what you will do, k is equal to 25. Now how come here 25 came? You have to remove this. What is the square of 5? 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 4 will come as it is over here. So k is equal to 25 into 4, 100. This is we got as constant of variation. This is the final answer. S into t square is equal to 100. Now next sum, x alpha 1 upon root y. If x is 15, then y is 9. Now see here root y is there. In the previous sum we saw square of the denominator. Now how to do this? Let us begin with this sum. X alpha 1 upon root y. Root y you need not have to remove this root sign. Root sign नहीं निकालना है. You have to keep as it is. X is equal to k upon root y. X into same cross multiply here. X into root y is equal to k. K is a constant. The equation of variation is x root y is equal to k. So 15. Now here substitute the values. What is the value of x? 15. So write here 15 into root 9. What is the value of y? 9. Just a second. Yeah, value of y is 9. So root 9 is equal to k. Shift this whole to right hand side. What you will do, when you are shifting this into right hand side, this root sign will go. आप रूट करोगे. What is the square root of 9? Square root of 9, 3. So here directly you will write 3. 15 into 3 is equal to k. So k is equal to 45. X into root y is equal to 45. Even though you have found out the answer or the value of this root, then also after writing the concluding statement or the last one, you have to put this root sign also. Very very important thing. Now this one, next sum. Write the following using symbol of variation. The wavelength of sound L and its frequency F are in inverse variation. It is given. In which variation? Inverse variation. Wavelength of sound. You have learned in science what is wavelength of sound. See, this way, this way. This is what called as the wavelength of sound. So these are in wavelength of sound and the frequency is in inverse variation. So write wavelength is equal to L. Symbols are also given. Frequency small f. Now here therefore inverse means what? This formula you will use. Upon wala formula. L a alpha letter 1 upon f. Second sum. The intensity I of light varies inversely with the square of the distance d of a screen from the lamp. Inversely is given, inverse variation. Intensity I, distance d. Again inversely means this upon wala formula you have to use. I alpha letter a 1 upon d square. See here why I have put here square. Did you got it? See here it is given inversely with the square of distance. Distance का square करना है. So this was our last and final answer. So thank you students for watching this video. If you like the videos, please subscribe this channel and share it with maximum number of your friends. Thank you.